Tesla FSD supervised version 12.5.1 is now begin rolling out to regular customer last night. Major improvement like natural lane change, vision only driving monitoring with sunglasses and end-to-end on highway as well as FSD on cybertruck which roll out in August. This version has been widely discussed among users with many praising its performance improvement. Users have reported successful navigation through complex traffic and enhanced capability compared to previous version. Here is user first impression on night. First point is seems to be more assertive and quicker than before. In second point, he says he feels more jerky and not quite as smooth as 12.5, which is not assertive setting. This version still does all right without intervention and handles flashing red light perfectly. However, there are also concerns about system availability in the need for continued driver attention. Overall, the feedback suggests that FSD 12.5 presents a significant advancement in autonomous driving technology.